the most habitable portion of the Milky Way galaxy is probably in the spiral arms, because there we have the birth of many new stars that have the proper ability to house exoplanets that could be habitable. In our central bar of the Milky Way, there is a supermassive black hole. So that's probably not a good idea to live there, as the stars around it are slowly but surely being sucked up into its very dense mass. Also, the stars there are very, very old, and they follow the orbits of each other, which would make it hard for them to establish their own habitable exoplanet orbits, as they all follow that central supermassive black hole. It would also be beneficial to live in the spiral arms because they slowly, in waves, orbit around the center of our galaxy. And in that way, we are pacing ourselves with other stars, and so there is less room for collision. However, supernovae and things like that do happen to collide with each other. But if it's just a star, usually it's not a big deal, and stars are often birthed in there. It would be impossible, or it's very rare for stars to be born in the halo of the Milky Way galaxy or the disk surrounding the supermassive black hole in the center